Blueberry and mango on Mommy's hand. Go ahead, Blueberry. Give him a tickle tickle. I got two birds on one hand. They've been on my hand for 10 minutes now. It's getting heavy. No, iba to focus here. Yeah. Mango's not shy. It's not camera shy. Oh, Blueberry's a little nervous though. This camera's getting too close. Yeah, give Mango a tickle tickle. Come on, Blueberry. Give Mango a tickle tickle. Blueberry stopped because he saw the camera. Yeah, Blueberry, hi Mango. You're on Mommy's hand. You've been on Mommy's hand for 10 minutes. You guys are getting heavy now. Blueberry, you want to give Mango a tickle tickle? Yeah, Mango. Mango's not camera shy. Hi, Blueberry. What are you trying to do? Make a hole in Mommy's jacket? Don't make a hole in Mommy's jacket. Are you still on the camera? Are you still on screen? Mango's a good boy. Pretty, pretty bird. Blueberry, what are you doing? What's Blueberry doing? I didn't ask you to unravel my stitches. Well, he makes a good helper if you want to unravel the stitches on your clothes. Uh-oh. Oh, gave Mommy a present too. Yeah, you like to be a mommy, don't you? Can Mango say something? Can Mango say something? Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Mango's a good boy. Come on, give Mommy a kiss kiss. Who can give Mommy a kiss kiss? Blueberry, say hi, baby. Say hi, baby. No one wants to talk.